Well, what's going on, everyone? Good evening, as I should say. So I'm getting ready to put this down on my yard. This is the Cutter backyard bug control. But what I'm doing, I'm using it just for mosquitoes. As you can see, it does kill a lot of other things other than mosquitoes. I did a video on this product maybe a year or so ago, and I'll put a link up there so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I'm getting ready to put this down in my yard, and I want to try to kill some mosquitoes. This covers up to 5,000 square feet. But I want to show you guys what I got for Father's Day. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's my fault. I need to start advertising a little bit more. But I bought a new lawnmower, and I am a real big Troy built fan, but I'm very disappointed in this particular lawnmower that I got. And this is a more expensive one. Model number, I'm gonna show that to you guys. But the reason is because for some reason the couple Troy builds that I've gotten lately, and I think this is gonna be my last Troy build. When I go to mow my yard, when I try to put stripes and stuff in, everything is uneven. The grass is not cut perfectly like it should be. When my first Troy built a couple years ago, it did a great job, but this one was a more expensive one, and it's just not doing the job for me. I think this is going to be the last Troy built one. And if you, again, I'm gonna put some information on it for Instagram so you guys can follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of my stuff on there, but I'm gonna put a picture up on so you guys can see of the stripes and stuff that I did. But what you can't see is how uneven the grass is in that particular picture. So yeah, the last couple Troy built I got, even with the Honda engine, it just not worked out right for me. So I picked this up on Father's Day. I had it for a couple of weeks, and I didn't even take the tag off of it because just because I was just so disappointed in some of the Troy builds that I had before, that I thought that, hey, let me just wait, not take the tag off this. As you can see, I still got stuff right here all on it, because the last one I sold, it didn't do a good job either, and this one is failing as well. So I mean, it does a good cut. It's just the fact that if you're not really used to cutting your yard, but it's definitely not doing a good job for me. And this is going to probably be the last one I did. Let me show you guys the yard. Most of you know that if you've been following me, I got in this yard, front yard, I got common Bermuda, and I also have some Palisade Georgia down as well. So if you see right here is a little greener or light greener, that's because of the Palisade Georgia. And I really like that because of the fact that, personally me, I like having these two type of grass in the yard. But I know most people don't, but it works out for me. But I'm gonna do a video, show you guys what I've been using on my yard. I hadn't put any fertilizer down, so I've been using just a lot of humic acid and some other stuff. And I found something on Amazon, and next video I'm gonna put out, I'm gonna show you guys what that is. But the grass looking really good, really green. I'm doing some edging on the side over here, and I also got some new sod installed on my side of my yard. So most of you who followed me last year, I had Palisade Georgia, but I had an issue with getting that to come back. And I'm growing some grass right here myself, but this is the side of my yard. Now there's two type of grass in here as well, because I got Georgia to the back, and then that's raw Georgia. And right here is this is Northbridge Bermuda, and this is probably the softest Bermuda I've ever touched in my life. And so I got this done, and I also got some Palisade Georgia on the side that's creeping into my neighbor's yard. But I re-changed that up because it had a hard time growing this year, and I put some seeds down, some Scott seed, and for some reason it didn't take as much as I wanted it to. Then my neighbor, who used a lawn company, came and sprayed some stuff down, so I decided to just replace it with new sod. But this is raw Georgia, and it's soft as well, just like the Palisade. But as you can see, the Bermuda is just a little bit higher because the raw Georgia grows really slow, but it's going to all fill in as soon as it all starts taking in. And I did a cut on it, so I need to water it. That's what you see, all this dry spot right here. So I just did a cut, so that's why that it is the way it is. So there's nothing wrong with it, just need a little watering, so I'm gonna do that today. And if you guys ever put sod down, make sure they put lime down first, do a soil test first before they do that. Most of the time when they roll new sod, one thing I've always recommended is put down lime before they do anything. So let's get back to the cutter, and we're gonna get to spraying that on the yard. It's almost 8 o'clock this evening, and with that particular product, you do want to put it down early in the morning, or you want to put it down when the mosquitoes are very active, which is in the evening. All right, guys, so one thing I don't think I've mentioned so far, but I know I mentioned this in my video last year. This stuff comes out really fast, so you definitely want to make sure you are walking at a decent speed in order to get this stuff down. But like I said earlier, I'm using it just for mosquitoes, but you guys can, if you want to treat grubs or anything else, ants and stuff like that, you definitely want to make sure you water this in. I'm not doing that today, but I'm just using it for mosquitoes in my front yard. And I think also when you buy this product, I got this at Lowe's. I forgot how much it was, but also when you apply this product, again, walk at a decent pace. But when you apply this, just remember that you're going to probably need to put this down every 14, maybe every 30 days in order to control the mosquitoes for the season. So just remember that you're going to need to put this down every 13 or 14 days, every 14 to 30 days, I'm sorry, to control the mosquitoes. Just however the mosquitoes in your area is, you'll know if you need to put it down every 14 or every 30 days. So let's go ahead and get this down. All right, guys, so I'm just going to pull this little level here. And you see it's starting to come out. So I'm gonna start with the edges first. Hear all that cracking in it. Apologize for all of that. You definitely don't want to over apply this. I mean, it's not gonna hurt your yard, but don't over apply it. I already under applied and over applied. Just want to fan it back and forth until you get it down. All right, guys, just remember this covers up to 5,000 square feet. Probably not doing a good job holding the camera. I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to show you guys what I'm doing in the other hand. But that's going to be it for my front yard. Again, just a quick video, guys. I want to show you guys what I was doing. It's been a while since I made a video. But yeah, get you some of this, and just remember, depending on the size of your yard and how bad the mosquitoes and stuff is in your yard, you definitely want to make sure you apply this every every 14 to 30 days. Sorry about that, guys. Every 14 to 30 days. I apologize for the inconsistency. Trying to navigate through 3 things at once. So, all right, guys, so that's it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Sorry for all of the inconsistency in the navigating, but I only got 2 hands, so don't forget to put this down. And again, if you need to put this down every 14 days, just depending on the size of your yard and how bad the mosquitoes are. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.